Let's start. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss spot and forward rate, which is included in forex chapter. It's a basic concept also. Spot rate is what? Okay, spot rate is what? In forex chapter, where the main content is dollar buying and selling, because suppose I am an importer. If I want goods purchasing from outside like USA, then I want to pay money in dollar. So I want to go to a bank, purchase the dollar and pay it. Sometimes I paid the amount. Suppose I purchase the machinery. After 3 months, at the end of the 3 months, I want to pay. Okay, so I decided to I go to a bank, and suppose I made an agreement. Suppose I purchased the machinery on January. I shall pay the amount to importer on 31st May. So I go to bank and make an agreement. I want to I want suppose $10,000 which is required for machinery. So now from today date, that is on January date, I make an agreement with bank at mutual agree rate or whatever bank quote. The trade I will buy the dollar on 31st May. So we make an agreement with bank. What is the agreement? Now I want $10,000 on 31st May at the price of 50 rupees. Why I am making this price? Now because you want dollar on 31st May, but now on you are standing on January, you fixing a rate, that is you buy the dollar at future date. Why? Because generally foreign currency rate are fluctuated. Whenever fluctuated, it may cause loss or it may cause profit also. So suppose I am a risk, I am not taking risk because of price fluctuation, and so I am enter with the agreement, because I am thinking that if dollar rises, that is today date dollar is 50, for after 3 months it may be 70, then my outflow will be more. So I am expecting that dollar will increase and it will risk for me. So I make an agreement with bank today for a future settlement. That is called forward. Okay, so spot rate is what? Today's price, whatever is buy. Suppose today I go to bank and buy the dollar at 70, at 60, whatever rate is, that is called spot rate. Forward rate is what? Rate specified today for future settlement date. That is, example, today I am standing on 1/4/2001. Suppose I am an importer, I want dollar 1000 on 31st May 2021. So what I do? So buy dollar 1000 at rate of 60. I make agreement with bank on what date I will buy, that is 31/5/2021. That is called forward rate. So make simply clarify, spot rate is today trade at what rate you buy, and forward rate is at settlement rate you will decide for future date. Okay, for future date, whenever that settlement is made at previously determine the price. So here previously determine the price, also future settlement date also. Okay, now come to the, suppose if forward rate is greater than spot rate, then we will call forward premium. Because if suppose spot rate, so now forward rate is a future rate. Okay, suppose after the 3 months, suppose let's say example, it's after 3 months I want dollar 10,000. So that rate, so it is the difference, the rate is difference but fixed at today. Okay, so there is a difference, whatever difference is called, suppose forward rate is greater than S spot rate, that is forward premium. If forward rate is greater than spot, less than spot, then it is forward discount. That means what? So example, suppose today's spot rate is 90, forward rate for 3 months is equal to 100. So here what indicate? It is forward premium. If spot rate is 90, forward is 80, then it will indicate discount. What discount? Forward discount. So now in exam we discussed direct in exam what type of question asked. Generally it is asked annualized forward rate and discount or premium, how to calculate. Okay, suppose on currency, what I require to calculate? Annual forward premium or discount on currency. Okay, suppose currency, that is A oblique by B. Suppose what? Rupee by dollar. I indicate quote in A by oblique B for understanding and memorize the concept. Okay, here B is what? Base currency, A is what? Price currency. Okay, now question suppose is asked annualized forward discount or premium on base currency. What you do? F minus S by S, F minus S by S into 100 by 12 by 9. How it calculates? Simply it is a, because there the different, whatever difference between F and S, that is maybe forward premium or forward discount. So here on base currency you simply make F minus S by S into 100 by 12. If on A matlab on A means price currency, so you will do the reverse, that is spot minus forward by forward into 100 by n by into 12 by n. Okay, here generally we learn, suppose future value is 100, current value is, current price is 90. So how we calculate the percentage? 100 minus 90 by 90. Same logic apply here, F minus S by S. Okay, on price currency it will be changed S minus F by F into 100 12 by 9. You will remember on the only the remember point is memorize the formula is this only. Okay, if this N is the gap at 1. Suppose spot rate is that is here spot rate is 9, forward rate is for how many months it will for how many months the forward rate is decided? 3 months. Okay, so here N is equal to 3 months. So the difference, suppose we divide the 3 months, then it will come per month basis, then into multiply 12, then it will become annualized forward discount or premium. Okay, let's complete the session. We will discuss another topic in next session, and please if you like it the video, then subscribe my channel, and whatever if you may require any concept, then comment on it. I will discuss in next video also. Thanks friends. Tata.